Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Happy Mama, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade glycerin syrup. So what you're gonna need? You're gonna need some board, a knife, lemon juice, spoon, small glass, half lemon, juice from half of a lemon, and some honey and glycerin. You can get it in boats, and that's my daughter commenting it. So as you can see, I already juiced half of the lemon, and as a first you put in your small glass 1 spoon of glycerin and 1 spoon of honey, and you try to mix it until it's smooth. Now as you can see, the mixture of the honey and glycerin is smooth. It takes really just a couple of seconds to mix it, and you can add juice from half of the lemon and mix it. And that's how it looks like when it's all nicely mixed. And you don't drink it, you just take it spoon by spoon slowly within 5 minutes. And it's only glycerin, honey and lemon. I'm sorry, but I currently have sore throat, so I can't really speak well. But I've got idea that I can share this recipe with you. It's fresh. There's a fresh lemon. You can choose any honey you want to. It's quick and easy to make, and you don't need to buy the glycerin syrup from the shop that contains alcohol and probably other things you don't want. I hope you like this recipe. If you have sore throat like me, I hope you get well soon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in next video. Bye bye.